While Robert and I were up in the Waikato region recently, we had a stopover in Te Awamutu to see what this little town has to offer. Tim and Neil Finn. And we were pleasantly surprised with what we found. Te Awamutu's sister city, or twin town of Moree in New South Wales, Australia, lapsed years ago. Community exchanges, such as Te Awamutu's brass band and the Moree district band, ceased their interaction with no funding being provided by council. The Rose Capital here at Te Awamutu. Should this have had water in it? It doesn't. I'm okay with it not having water in it. Big beautiful slides for the children. Looks a cool park for them, doesn't it? Probably was busy in the holidays. Gone back to school now. I wonder what this is. Moves? Nor will? What do you reckon? What do you think that does? It's an exercise thing. Oh, what? And what's it doing to you? Is it using your tummy muscles or what? What form of muscle? That's a weird thing. Oh, easy to... What about this one? What the heck would that be? Oh. Wow, I should be doing that for my muscles. Build my muscles up, shouldn't I? Isn't it? We were right over there by the roses and look. It goes on and on. Cool. They're working. Tennis player. Tony Kay. I don't know these people though. Alan Wallace. Sorry, don't know you, Alan. A lovely area though. Haven't they done well? John Rochford. Oh, I've heard of you. Have I? Patty and Pat Stevens. Cool. Michael Williams. No. Dr. Lindsay Rogers. No. Tim and Neil Finn. Heard you came from Te Awamutu. In 1972, Brian, Timothy, Finn and some mates formed a band called Split Ends. The band had a wild on-stage persona, soon renaming the band Split Ends in a show of patriotism. And Tim's younger brother Neil joined the group in 1977, before they went their separate ways in the mid-1980s. Tim pursuing a solo career, and Neil forming the Aussie band Crowded House. Where we've parked our caravan temporarily at Te Awamutu at a sculpture park, for goodness sake. Yeah, I'm gonna have a look. A gate? Ah, how cute. Clever. Wonder what that one is. Sounds? Yay! Let's have a look. I'm guessing they made noise. We've only got that noise now. We haven't got the things that make the music. Oh, is that music? It's a shame. Oh, here we go. We've got one. Yay! Is that the same note? Oh, how cute. Nurturing. Look at it. I love the face on that one. That's so gorgeous. Where's he gone? There he is. Waving. He's not waving. I just used the bathroom. I thought these were flies. There's our little jumping jacks. Look at them all in the basin. Can't you get out again? You got in there and you can't get out. Silly little things. I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. Yes, see? We saw these tracks earlier. Yay! It's by a stream. How lovely. Oh, is that it? Oh no, keep going. Yay. Whoa, that led to, oh, what's this? What is that? Oh, I'll just go and take a picture of the name of it. It's Memorial Park, people. Where's he gone? I don't know where he is, but this is lovely. Look at it. Did he come in here? Yes, he did. There he is. Oh. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere we should be walking. But guess what? We're riding again. Where are you heading? Oh, look at it. Can I stop? Oh, look at that. He's not stopping. This historical panel represents the merger of Māori and Pākehā in this Waipa district. On the left are the Māori and the right Pākehā, with the central figure being our future. Look at the colour on that. Wow, beautiful. It's not even blossom time of the year, is it? It's February. Look, here's the war memorial. Waikato District War Memorial. I don't know where you are, Robert. Robert? Oh, this is so lovely, isn't it? Am I going to have to ring him? Yay, let's have a look. It's beautiful. I'm loving it. I'll follow you. Now that I've found you. How sweet. Contact bridge. What? Why contact bridge? What does that mean? One does not know what it means. Let's get a name. No. Oh yes. Kiwi Bridge. Whoa. Contact and Kiwi. Different, man. The named bridges are keeping with Te Awamutu's war memorial history and represent our armed forces. Kiwi for the Army, Contact the Air Force, and Achilles the Navy. Achilles Bridge. Those are dags, aren't they? What's the names of these bridges? Pioneer walk this way. Yay! So we came from the sculpture park. We'll go the other way. And what's the name of this bridge? This hasn't got a name. Where does it go? Nowhere. Oh, beastly. Oh, sad. Oh, was that it? At the end of our walkies. It's the end of our walk ride, Bobby. Lucky we veered off though and saw that memorial. Hey. Oh, I'm going to go back over these noisy blighters. Noisy. There we are. We'll get further from the memorial park. Oh well. And there's the rose garden up there. I get it? The park and rose garden. And we're still going on this trail. Bike track. Yay! Oh, nice. Whoopee! Oh, what? We're back here! We're back at our caravan! Ooh. Oh, this is another track. Let's have a look. I'm keen. foggy. I'm excited. Oh, where do we go now? No evidence of anything more. Oh, is that us then, is it?